Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a truly delicious vegan mushroom soup. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh cremini or button mushrooms, 1 large onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget some fresh thyme, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and 1 cup of unsweetened plant-based milk. A little olive oil and 2 tablespoons of flour or cornstarch will complete our list for this comforting dish. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion and sauté it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes wonderfully soft and translucent. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until it's fragrant. Then, add your sliced mushrooms, cooking them until they release their moisture and start to brown. Season generously with salt, black pepper, and fresh thyme. Achieving that perfect creamy texture is next. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of flour over your cooked mushrooms and stir continuously for about 1 minute to coat everything. This creates a roux that will thicken our soup. Gradually whisk in 4 cups of vegetable broth, ensuring there are no lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Finally, stir in 1 cup of unsweetened plant-based milk for a rich, velvety finish. Now for the finishing touches. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot to achieve your preferred level of creaminess, from chunky to silky smooth. If you don't have one, carefully transfer about half of the soup to a regular blender, blend until smooth, and then return it to the pot. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt or black pepper as needed. Serve your delicious vegan mushroom soup warm, perhaps garnished with fresh parsley or a swirl of plant-based cream. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.